Hello, welcome to my channel, Mr. ZeroWater. I am basically a researcher who is inspired by the science behind the environment, society and culture. Facts about my channel. Channel is actually mostly in Malayalam and with English subtitles, and it will be covering researches from science, environment and global issues. I hope I have sufficient expertise to cover the topics I am presenting it here. And you can interact with me on topics like travel, research and academics, and I am happy to reply to you. I am very much excited about the video because I consider it's an essential tool for next generation students and general public. I am looking forward to your support. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.